Hey guys, what's up? Mike's here from Mike's Car Stories. Sorry, my voice is pretty low today. The work is work. Today we are talking about the PPF and the most important PPF from AliExpress, so not expensive PPF. I believe it cost me less than 20 bucks for headlight PPF. I'm gonna show you the video why I decided to do the headlights, because I already have some chips on it after my winter trip. If you didn't see the video about winter trip, check it out. And I understand that I have stone chips on my bumper and I can touch up it with the paint, but I can't do anything with the headlights. So I decided to buy the PPF for the headlights and install it. So let's check it out. What we need some rinseless. I have Coach Chemi RRW, I believe it's called, rapid rinseless wash. Also we have tack solution, what is basically the alcohol, isopropyl alcohol with water. We need the slip solution, which is just 2 milliliter of dish soap and water. And we need one drying towel and one just microfiber towel to clean the car. So also we have our PPF already pre-cut. That's why it's very important, it's already pre-cut. And we have our small like squeegee thingy. As usual guys, all links are in the description. If you like, subscribe, comment, you support the channel already. If you buy using the links, you support the channel also with the money. Oh my god, it's like zero extra cost for you, but I will have the small percentage from what you bought. Okay, let's start with cleaning. I will use my towel and the rinseless. I want to start with cleaning all the headlights. It's a two-piece PPF, one piece on top and one piece, this one, on the bottom. Spray a little bit on towel too. So yeah, it's a standard rinseless, 250 to 1 dilution ratio. Nothing special, nothing crazy. Just clean the headlight from all the gunk and stuff, because we have the pollen season and all the good stuff, you know. I think you got it right, all the good stuff. Okay, headlight looks clean and dry. All the products again in the description down below. So let me find this small piece. I'm gonna start with it and then we'll go to the big piece. Guys, I found it. Here it is, holding it on a corner, and we need to drench it with our slip solution. We really need to drench it. And here too, a lot of slip solution. Last time I had a problem that the part actually was absolutely not for my car, but this pre-cut seems to fit. Wow, it seems to fit very nicely. Wow, I hope you can see it, but it fits very nicely. Let me take the squeegee, and I think I aligned it everywhere. And let's start with the corner. Don't be afraid to try. The process actually is not as difficult as it seems. Just make it slip, use a lot of slip solution and drive the slip solution from under the PPF. Yeah. And as you can see here, it is absolutely okay to peel it back if you misalign something or made a mistake. It's not a hard glue. You use a lot of slip solution and tack solution, and it's okay to just peel it and reapply if you made a mistake. That's why I think the PPF is a very good thing for the beginner to try it on your car. And after that, guys, it is just trial and error. You just need to try. You will make a mistake like I did here. reapply, peel, reapply, and in the end you will understand how to do it properly, and it will be much more easy for you. Let me show you. But it looks pretty good. So the bubbles should go in 1 or 2 days. And okay, let's go with the big one. Okay, let's go with the big one. I don't want it to stuck to itself, so we will spray it generously. Spraying the headlight, and let's put it on. I hope it will be a good fit. Okay guys, I see it is a perfect fit. It is absolutely perfect. The most important thing, guys, don't forget the good squeegee, because this one, the yellow that I'm working, it is from the set and it is absolute dog shit. It is very hard, it is very difficult to drive the water from under the PPF, so I made a lot of mistakes. I pulled the PPF and it slipped on me a lot of times, so be careful. The important question, how it will look like after 2 or 3 days when it dries. Okay, I'm gonna finish now the second part of the mirror. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna finish the second part of the headlight, like the second headlight, and I will come back to you after several days to show the end result after its curing time, because the bottom one looks already much better. Thank you for watching and wait for the results. This is the first one. Not bad, not bad. Still drying a little bit, but if you ever feel that you can do it, it's very difficult, guys. This one, look, much better. I have some things that I need to take care of. Have a little bit of specks. It's actually like small stones. I washed them away, but the PPF was already damaged. And you need the right tools. Buy yourself a nice squeegee, because the set one is shit.